Odyssey team explores LHS 1140b. In 2029, a team of astronauts led by the renowned astrobiologist Carl Sagan embarked on a daring mission to explore LHS 1140b, a super-Earth exoplanet located 40 light-years away from Earth. Discovered in 2017, LHS 1140b had been identified as a promising candidate for further study due to its size, mass, and the potential for liquid water on its surface. LHS 1140b orbits an M-type star in the constellation of Cetus, taking just 24.7 days to complete one orbit. With a mass 5.6 times that of Earth and a radius 1.73 times larger, the planet presented unique challenges and opportunities for exploration. The team's mission was to land on the planet, conduct surface studies, and gather samples that could provide insights into its geology and potential habitability. The journey and landing. After a long journey through space, the team spacecraft, the Odyssey, entered the orbit of LHS 1140b. As they prepared for landing, the crew knew they faced a daunting task. The planet's surface gravity was calculated to be 18.36 ms2, nearly 1.87 times that of Earth. This stronger gravitational pull meant that the descent would be faster and harder to control. The spacecraft's landing thrusters were pushed to their limits, requiring more fuel to slow down their approach and ensure a safe landing. The Odyssey was designed with reinforced landing gear and an extra layer of structural integrity to withstand the intense forces during touchdown. As the spacecraft descended through the planet's atmosphere, the crew felt the heavy pull of gravity tugging at them. Finally, with expert precision, the spacecraft touched down on the rocky surface of LHS 1140b, a feat that was met with cheers and relief from the crew. Challenges on the surface. As the astronauts prepared to step out onto the surface, they were acutely aware of the challenges ahead. The high gravity meant that their own bodies felt nearly twice as heavy as they did on Earth. An astronaut who weighed 70 kg back home now felt like they weighed a weight over 130 kg. Every movement required more effort, and even walking felt like a strenuous workout. The team's spacesuits had been specially designed to cope with these conditions, incorporating advanced support systems to help the astronauts move and work more efficiently. However, the strain was still evident. Simple tasks like carrying equipment or collecting samples were exhausting, and the astronauts had to take frequent breaks to avoid overexertion. The planet's surface was rugged and rocky, with a thin atmosphere that offered little resistance as the astronauts moved around. Despite the difficulties, the team managed to collect samples of soil and rock, which they hoped would reveal clues about the planet's history and composition.